The vision is finally weightless. Sparkles, welcome to the breathtaking reveal of our Luminous Sanctuary. We've spent the week perfecting the structural logic and building the geometric skeleton, but today, the logic fades into the background to make room for the soul. We are performing the final act of Material Alchemy, turning a dark, static backyard into a cinematic, living landscape. We've used shadow architecture to erase the boundaries of the property and warm LED curation to create a 5-star resort feel right at home. If you're ready to see how light creates a sanctuary, you're home. I'm Beki, and this is the Atmospheric Revelation. Hello to my beautiful community of mindful creators. Today is about the emotional payoff. In 2026, the ultimate luxury isn't just what you see. It's how the space makes you feel when the sun goes down. We've taken our sustainable luxury builds and layered them with a golden, ambient glow. Today, we aren't just looking at a garden, we are stepping into a mood. Let's step into the alchemy. The Atmospheric Revelation. Material Alchemy under the moonlight. 1. The philosophy of the night sanctuary. In the world of Beki Decor, a garden that disappears at night is a missed opportunity. This is where atmospheric curation begins. A yard is a physical space, but a sanctuary is a frequency. In 2026, we don't use security lights that flatten the landscape. We use shadow architecture to deepen it. Most people overlight their yards, killing the mystery and creating a sterile, flat environment. This is the first step of tonight's Material Alchemy, recognizing that darkness is just as important as light. By choosing where not to place a lamp, we create infinite volume. We are moving away from the floodlight mentality, which acts like a visual wall, and into luminous integrity. This is where every glow has a specific purpose, to highlight a rugged texture, to guide a safe step, or to anchor a feeling of deep serenity. We are not fighting the night, we are dancing with it. 2. Shadow architecture. Engineering infinite volume. Let's look at the structural logic of our lighting layout. Notice how we've hidden our warm LEDs within the lawn edging and behind the horizontal wood fence. We aren't lighting the objects directly, we are lighting the glow around them. This is the secret to dimensional integrity. This creates a sense of spatial expansion. When the fence line is softly backlit, the eye doesn't stop at the wood. It perceives a depth beyond the boundary, a layer of air and mystery that makes the yard feel limitless. This is the glow protocol. By using 2700K warm spectrum bulbs, we mimic the golden hour indefinitely. This provides the tactile integrity that makes the wood grain pop even in the dead of night. Your backyard isn't just a plot of land anymore. It's a high-definition stage for your piece, engineered to hold the light exactly where the soul needs it. 3. The styled table. Alchemy of the gathering. Now, let's move to the heart of the social zone. The dining table is where material alchemy meets human connection. We've styled this space using sustainable luxury principles, mixing raw linen, matte ceramics, and hand-forged elements that feel grounded and real. The centerpiece isn't just decor, it's an architectural anchor. By using low-profile candles and a few sprigs of greenery from our own garden nooks, we create a focal point that doesn't block the view, allowing conversation to flow as freely as the evening breeze. This is functional layout logic at its finest. The table is styled to feel intentional and breathtaking, encouraging guests to slow down and honor the moment. It turns a simple meal into an act of mindful creation, where the materials, glass, flame, and foliage work together to curate a memory. The luminous nook, a cocoon of light. Remember the garden nook we engineered on Thursday? Watch how the atmosphere shifts as we step inside this micro sanctuary. We've added layered luminosity. Here, a soft overhead glow from the budget gazebo frame and a low-level path light tucked into the white rocks to ground the space. This creates dimensional integrity. You feel tucked away, safe, and private, yet completely connected to the night sky. The invisible boundaries we built are now reinforced by light, creating a sanctuary that feels expensive but costs only your effort. It's a personal retreat that feels like a 5-star hotel lounge. Yet it was built with reclaimed materials and pure structural logic. This is the ultimate goal of Beki Decor, ensuring your environment matches your inner frequency of calm, abundance, and quiet strength. #5. Cinematic night shots, the senior designer lens. As we move through the final reveal, I want you to notice the visual rhythm. The way the light hits the white river rocks creates a luminous floor that makes the whole garden feel like it's floating. This is material alchemy in its purest form, taking a hard, cold stone and making it look like a soft, weightless cloud of light. These cinematic moments aren't accidental, they are engineered. By layering the heights of our light sources, low for the rocks, mid-level for the plants, and high for the gazebo, we've created a high-definition landscape. The shadows cast by the geometric skeleton of the gazebo create intricate, geometric patterns on the floor, adding a layer of shadow artistry that changes as you move. It's a living, breathing sanctuary that rewards the observer who takes the time to look deeper. 6. The final revelation, engineering peace. At the end of this journey, from Tuesday's illusions to Sunday's atmosphere, we've learned that a backyard is more than dirt and wood. It is a manifestation of your structural logic and your atmospheric curation. You have reclaimed your space from the darkness. You've taken in, exposed, space and engineered it into a breathtaking sanctuary. You've used Material Alchemy to turn a budget and a dream into sustainable luxury. Luxury is the peace you feel when you sit under these lights, knowing you built this refuge with your own 2 hands. You've mastered the atmosphere, and in doing so, you've discovered that your home has infinite volume when you lead with light. You are no longer just a homeowner. You are a curator of the light. Thank you for joining me for this grand revelation. My prayer for you tonight is that you stop seeing your yard in black and white and start seeing it in the golden glow of infinite volume. Whether you are styling a table for friends or tucking a single LED into a garden bed for your own reflection, remember that atmospheric curation is the final key to your peace. If you've finished your sanctuary this week, or even just lit one corner of your world, tell me about it in the comments. I love seeing your luminous oasis and celebrating your progress. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next Tuesday to begin a new journey into the heart of the home. Stay grounded in the light, and never forget the power of your own creativity. Remember, your home is a living reflection of your inner light. Don't be afraid to curate your shadows, to define your own glow, and to build an inspired outdoor area that breathes with you. Use your hands, honor the light, and I'll see you in the next revelation. Keep engineering your sanctuary.